Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line package with the AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, illuminated star in the grille, black MB text interior with a natural grain ash wood center console, brushed aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, opening up the trunk, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 14,782 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.